We use forms basically to ensure consistency, because what we want to make sure of is no matter which technician comes into your home, you have the same home climate's experience every time. The easiest way to do that is through standardization with a form or a checklist. Now, forms are great, but you have to be really thoughtful about how you put them together, because if you make the form too difficult, what's going to happen is the techs get turned off and they don't want to fill out the forms, or they say, we're getting formed to death here, and they lose interest. So what you want to do is make sure you're capturing the relevant information that's going to allow you to be successful, not only while you're there today, but to set you up in the future. So the form that's on the screen is actually a checklist that we have, or a form that we have when we do an install. And basically you'll notice there, we've got a lot of upload files, which a lot of those are pictures. Okay, it's easy for the techs to take a picture and get it into ServiceTitan, and we love to put pictures in here. And some of these items came about because there were small things on the job that we were finding weren't happening properly. Like the first thing you'll notice is the outdoor unit level. For a period of time, we had a problem where the guys who were setting the outdoor unit didn't understand how to put the level on top of it and make sure the bubble was between the lines. Okay, so the simplest thing there is we make them put the level on top and take a picture. Okay, saves us a callback when the homeowner says, hey, your guys were here, but the outdoor unit looks a little bit weird. So for what that's worth, we built this checklist. And you'll notice there's some things on this checklist that allow us to capture information, like the models and serials. And we'll talk about that in a little bit in the future. But the other thing that's important about a checklist and collecting some of this data is we know what state the system's in when we leave it. So if somebody calls and says the system's not working properly, when the technician goes back, he can see what state we left it in to see, was it installed properly or has a problem occurred since we installed it? So you can use forms and checklists for those kind of things, and I highly recommend that.